Meanwhile, the country has recorded the Omicron variant at its borders. Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kumabwaji, who announced this, says that persons involved are from Nigeria and South Africa. They are currently on quarantine as sequencing for other samples are being conducted.
There are threats to the possible surge after Christmas. And that's the fourth wave. It's in many countries across the globe. That's a major threat for us. Secondly, there's the emergence of the new variant. And I must say that through the robust testing at the Kotoka International Airport, Ghana has detected the Omicron variant already. And the cases have come mainly from Nigeria and South Africa. The very first case that was detected through our sequencing was on the 21st of November. That's the very first time we saw the Omicron in Ghana. The good thing is that when we do all the community tests so far, we've not seen any Omicron within the community of Ghana. But of course, the danger is that if someone has Omicron and is incubating, it will not be found at the airport. And so we still have to be extremely careful, and that's the more reason why you must follow the vaccination, which is key to us.
Let's now cross over to Berlin, where our correspondent from DW, Thomas Sparrow, joins us with details of how Germany is dealing with the threat of the new Omicron strain of COVID-19. Thomas, how big of a problem is the new COVID variant posing to European governments?
It is posing a big problem for European governments. Various European countries have reported cases of the new variant, and this has prompted authorities to restrict travel from southern Africa. Here in Germany, authorities deemed South Africa and 7 other countries in the region high-risk areas. And this essentially means that airlines are only allowed to fly back German citizens and residents, and travellers must go into quarantine. But the new variant is also a challenge because it comes on top of an already very difficult situation with the Delta variant and record high infection numbers in countries like Germany or Austria.
So beyond this situation in Germany, how also, what measures have authorities taken to tackle it?
Well, there have been slight improvements in recent days if you look at infection numbers, but the situation still remains critical. Outgoing German Chancellor Angela Merkel said it was highly dramatic. Health authorities have reported record numbers of infections, even surpassing 70,000 a day. Daily coronavirus deaths have reached levels not seen since the beginning of the year, and the country recently surpassed 100,000 coronavirus deaths since the pandemic began. To tackle this situation, Germany has imposed contact restrictions, especially for the unvaccinated.
We know that Germany and other European countries have faced issues with the vaccination drive. How has restrictions helped in this drive?
Just under 70% of Germans are fully vaccinated. This is more than in other countries around the world, but it's lower than other countries in Western Europe. And it's one of the reasons why Germany has such a high infection rate now. Convincing the unvaccinated has been a very difficult challenge. Restrictions, however, have started to show some initial results. The number of people getting their first jab has surpassed 100,000 a day, and around 10 million Germans have already received a booster vaccination. Authorities, however, need this number to increase even further if they are going to stop the dramatic increase in infections.
Thomas Sparrow is with DW partners in Berlin.